and we're going to give you a really fun surprise today about this story. Hey, Hoot. Guess
What? What?
We're going to have a little game.
What kind of a game?
Candy canes.
What are we going to do?
We're going to hide them for our friends. To find.
Yeah, I can't wait. Let's get started.
Okay. Hurry.
Perfect. Let's put 2 in there.
This is a better one.
Yeah. All right, let's go get our friends.
Today we're going to have some very special friends.
Who are they, Winston?
I'll show you. 2 twins, sister and brother.
My favorite.
Here you go. You can tell one to go where, and I can tell where to go.
Oh, let's let people see them. They're pretty cute.
Yeah.
They're my favorite friends.
Today, guys, we're going to have a candy cane game.
Oh, I love candy canes.
Yeah. It's going to be super fun. The candy canes are going to be hidden around the room all over.
Oh, all right, let's get started.
Yeah.
Ooh, I wonder if one's under here.
Okay.
Wow, that's bright.
I think I see one, Yoda.
I'm not Yoda, I'm the child.
Okay. I think I see one, child. I found one.
Yay, let's put it back.
We're both the child. And our names are Yoda. Baby Yoda.
I heard there was one by these books, but I don't see one anywhere.
Yeah.
Do you see one?
I love it.
Oh,
Oh, I found it. Don't eat it. I found one.
great.
Oh, there's got to be more.
Where? I see something. Do you see that guard over there?
Yeah,
I bet there's something by that guard. Would you go look?
sure. I found some more candy cans.
How many did you find?
2.
What? Let's go put them back.
Well, you guys, you found them all.
Whoa, what time is it, Winston?
Feasting time.
Rawr! Rawr! Rawr!
Can I eat one for real, Dad?
Sure.